Patrick S. Samuel, Electrical Engineering Batch 5, with a notable award and recognition for his notable performance, his significant accomplishments in electrical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and hard work in personal and distinguishment and are truly commendable.
Pero wala, after nyo bumaba, punta mo na kami kayo sa
Mr. Ruel D. Cagana, Electrical Engineering Batch 5, with a notable award in recognition of his notable performance and significant accomplishments in electrical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field and distinguishment are truly commendable. Mr. Arthur J. G. Raga, Electrical Engineering Batch 5. Electrical Engineering Batch 6. Mr. Alfredo O. Loyola, Electrical Engineering Batch 6, with exemplary award and recognition of his exceptional performance and outstanding achievement in navigating intricacies and challenges of electrical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and excellence in this field set him apart and fully commendable. Mr. Alfredo Jr. H. Abayabay, Electrical Engineering Batch 6, with a notable award in recognition of his notable performance and significant accomplishments in electrical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and hard work in the field have distinguished him and are truly commendable. Mr. Silvino B. Tagala Jr., Electrical Engineering Batch 6, with a notable award in recognition of his notable performance and significant accomplishments in electrical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field have distinguished him and are truly commendable.
This is Ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Careful, ma'am. Careful. Thank you for coming, ma'am.
Mr. Rodolfo M. Suerte, Electrical Engineering Batch 6. Mechanical Engineering Batch 2. Mr. June Liume G. Galor, Mechanical Engineering Batch 2,
Luzon. Magkakaroon doon, meron na naman isa.
Mr. Richard Iglesias, Mechanical Engineering, Batch 2. Mr. Rafael Caballano, Mechanical Engineering, Batch 2. Mechanical Engineering, Batch 3. Mr. Rubel B. Cadena, Mechanical Engineering, Batch 3, with exemplary award and recognition of
Talino! Galing talaga!
Ngayon na nilakaw.
challenges of mechanical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and excellence in his field of center work and truly commendable. Mr. Robert Egliza, Mechanical Engineering Batch 3, with a notable award in recognition of his notable performance, the significant accomplishments in mechanical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and hard work in his field, and distinction that are truly commendable. Mr. Director M. Sapiano Jr., Mechanical Engineering, Batch 3, with notable award and recognition for his notable performance and significant accomplishments in mechanical engineering course, his dedication, commitment, and hard work in his field and distinguishment and are truly commendable. Miss April Veloz, Mechanical Engineering, Batch 3.
Now to present the awards and certificates for the Civil Engineering Batch 1, whom we call on stage Ms. Sayed Perosa.
Civil Engineering, Batch 1. Mr. Romel Weaver Cadena, Civil Engineering,
certificates for the healthcare assistant graduates batches 1 and 2, will we call on Engineer Rafael Lonto, Miss Senator, who is already on stage, and our respected instructors, Miss Elizabeth Tabanao and Mr. Zaldi Paragas.
Hayaan mo na. Okay lang yun, okay lang.
Ayaw din isa.
Di ba sa batch pa ako?
Healthcare Assistant Batch 1, Miss Jonathan S. Cadota, Healthcare Assistant Batch 1, with an exemplary award in recognition of her exceptional performance and outstanding achievement in navigating the intricacies and challenges of the Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 1. Her dedication, commitment, and excellence in this field have set her apart and are truly commendable. Miss Althea Ann T. Lopez, Healthcare Assistant Batch 1, with a notable award in recognition of her notable performance and significant accomplishments in Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 1. Her dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field have distinguished her and are truly commendable. Mr. Militar V. Vallarta, Healthcare Assistant Batch 1, with a notable award in recognition of his notable performance and significant accomplishments in Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 1. His dedication, commitment, and hard work in his field have distinguished him and are truly commendable.
Okay, kita kayo mukha ko dyan.
Okay lang po.
Sir Mark Jeffrey Isidoro, Healthcare Assistant Batch 1. Miss Christine Joy B. Fidelo, Healthcare Assistant Batch 1. Miss Filomena B. Huaga, Healthcare Assistant Batch 1.
Diyan kami sa loob.
Maricel A. Cruz, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 1.
Malalaman ko pagkakit.
Miss Ellie C. Carlo, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 1.
Hindi ako magdadali sa bahay.
Mr. Muhammad Afsal, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 1. Ms. Jasmine K. Sigat, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 4. Mr. G.B. Jose, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 1. Healthcare Assistant, Batch 2. Ms. Joanne P. De La Cruz, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 2, Exemplary Award. Miss Alison Winnie F. Rino, Healthcare Assistant Batch 2, with a notable award in recognition of her notable performance and significant accomplishment in the Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 2. Her dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field have distinguished her and are truly commendable. Ms. Marilu Martinez, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 2, Notable Award. Mr. Muhammad Amin, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 2. Now to present the awards and certificates for the Healthcare Assistant graduates Batches 3 and 4, may we call on our respected instructor, Mr. Rodel P. Estrada. Healthcare Assistant Batch 3, Ms. Hazel C. Mendoza, Healthcare Assistant Batch 3, with an exemplary award in recognition of her exceptional performance and outstanding achievement in navigating the intricacies and challenges of the Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 2. Her dedication, commitment, and excellence in this field have set her apart and are truly commendable. Ms. Jovelyn R. Nicodine, Healthcare Assistant Batch 3, with a notable award in recognition of her notable performance and significant accomplishments in Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 2. Her dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field have distinguished her and are truly commendable. Ms. Madison E. Marino, Healthcare Assistant Batch 3, with a notable award in recognition of her notable performance and significant accomplishments in Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 2. Her dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field has distinguished her Miss Althea Marjorie Humawan, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 2. Healthcare Assistant, Batch 4. Miss Jornaline P. Smith, Healthcare Assistant, Batch 4, with an exemplary award in recognition of her exceptional performance and outstanding achievement in navigating the intricacies and challenges of the Healthcare Assistant Force, Batch 4. Her dedication, commitment, and excellence in this field have set her apart and are truly commendable. Mr. Juanito M. Juaniwan, Healthcare Assistant Batch 4, with a notable award in recognition of his notable performance and significant accomplishments in Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 4. His dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field have distinguished him and are truly commendable. Miss Janeline A. Santos, Healthcare Assistant Batch 4, with a notable award, recognition of her notable performance and significant accomplishment in Healthcare Assistant Course Batch 4. Her dedication, commitment, and hard work in this field have distinguished her and are truly commendable. Miss Agnes B. Hermogenes, Healthcare Assistant Batch 4. Miss Melanie C. San Miguel, Healthcare Assistant Batch 4. Miss Amina R. Magar, Healthcare Assistant Batch 4. Miss Lorna C. Cortez, Healthcare Assistant Batch 4. Miss Alma L. Pro, Healthcare Assistant Batch 4. Engineer Rocky J. N. Javier, Industrial Automation Engineering and Solar PV Installation and Maintenance Course Instructor.
Engineer Andre P. De La Cruz, Industrial Automation Engineering Instructor. Mr. Julito A. Basa, Industrial Automation Engineering Instructor.
Mr. Eric Armayo, Industrial Automation Engineer. Dr. Ramil D. Solis, Management Course Instructor.
Mr. Armel C. Castro, Oculus PDS Courses Instructor.
Mr. Albert P. Gayo, Digital Marketing Course Instructor. Mr. Salvador Cos Cotto Jr., Photography Course Instructor. And also the chief photographer in charge for tonight.
Mr. Lorenzo C. Vinagas, Occupant Course Instructor.
G. Alarcon, Advanced Levels Office Course Instructor. Miss Beverly P. Araya, Dean, Architecture and LED Course Instructor.
Miss Johnny C. Arano, Accounting Management Course Instructor.
Miss Elizabeth S. Cabana, Healthcare Assistant Course Instructor. She is also the Operation Manager in our branch in Diva Pujera and Pujera City.
Once again, Elizabeth S. Sabata, Healthcare Assistant Course Instructor. Miss Ronaldine R. Capriana, Advanced Microsoft Office Course Instructor.
Thank you so much, our dear CEO, Engineer Solomon Tulog, and our dear CAO, Ms. Carmen Campos.
Thank you so much to all instructors that we have here at Trilogics Training Institute.
Once again, Trilogics Training Institute is very proud to all of our graduates, and thank you so much for giving us your time to our inspirational speakers and commencement speakers, and also to our special guests for tonight.
And I just want to inform you that we are live tonight, so you will be able to check that out to our page, Trilogics Training Institute page. You can check it out, and you can have more memories saved. So let us all stand and sing our graduation song.
Tayo na lang tayo.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say it lost the mind. A vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house
distinguished guest of honor and speaker, Engineer Rafael Lonto, the former president of ISAT, Engineer Lloyd Jet Arago, Mechanical Engineer Lloyd Jet Arago, and Mechanical Engineer Ryan Bin Sabilala, Trilogic Training Institute, headed by young and dynamic leader, of course, our very own Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Solomon Soler. Ay, graduates, pinalakpak na kayo. And of course, Miss Carmen Campos, the Chief Academic Officers, Dr. Ramil Soles, the professional course, or the Dean of Professional Course, Engineer Darrell Mina, the Dean of Technical Courses, and of course, our very own Mrs. Elizabeth Cabina Cabana, the Healthcare Dean or the Curriculum Manager for Diva Fujairah, esteemed faculty members, instructors, shareholders, ladies, and of course, the graduates, parents, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good evening. As we concluded this distinguished ceremony, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all graduates from Dubai, from Fujairah, from Fujairah City and Diva Fujairah, definitely. And now, okay, and of course, with their respective instructors, your dedication and hard work, perseverance have brought you to these momentous events. Graduates, remember to uphold the core values of Trilogic Training Institute. Let the achievement serve as the foundation for future endeavors. And may you continue to strive for greatness in all that you do. Best wishes for a bright and successful future. As a Bible says, Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, a plans to prosper you and not to harm you, a plans to give you hope and a future." So God bless and mabuhay Trilogic Training Institute. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, our Business Development Manager. Once again, everyone, Mr. Zadim Parada. Okay. To give us a short message to graduates, may we call Ms. Zayed Peraza.
Hello, good evening to all. And congratulations to all the graduations who passed today. It's a big achievement. We wish all the success in the coming future. It was a very hard work, dedication from the student as well as from the team, the faculties. I see Trilogics, very positive energy, very well planned, and they are doing the best. And the student, I want to message them, keep it up. This is just the beginning, not the end. Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you so much once again, everyone. Ms. Zayed Feroza. Let's give her a round of applause, everyone. And Ms. RC.
May we call on all the graduates for our photoshop here at stage, all the batches. So may we begin to the project management course.
Okay, project management course. Let's have a group photo. Where are the project management graduates? Together with their instructor, Engineer Darren Joy Mira. You may now come on stage, so you will have your group photo here. For the project management graduates, you can come on stage. Thank you so much. And now the business management graduates, together with their instructors.
Sama na natin ang ano.
Huwag daw po muna pakyatin. Ha? Huwag daw po muna pakyatin. Muna lang natin ang account. Wait lang po. Okay na?
May we call on the instructor of business management batch 1.
Dr. Ramil Solis. So, to present their token of appreciation to Trilogics Training Institute, here's Mr. Said Daktar, Engineer Solomon Tuloy, Ms. Carmen Campos, and Mr. Zati Parada. We also have here Ms. Sayed Perosa and Mr. Muhammad Al-Kamal. Thank you so much once again, Mr. Said Daktar, Ma'am Sayed Perosa, Ms. Carmen of SF Services. So everyone, if you're looking for an agency where you can process your visa and also like documents, please you may go to the room just beside our office. Their office is actually located just beside Trilogics Training Institute. They're at SF Services. We can assure you that they are very reliable when it comes to your needed documents here in the United Arab Emirates and also for your visa processing.
That's right.
Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Said Daktar, Mr. Muhammad Al-Mari, Ma'am Sayed Perosa, and the SF Services. Thank you so much.
And let's proceed again to our leadership here at stage. May we call on accounting management course together with their instructor.
Mr. Dr. Ramil Solis.
Parang dito ko sila nakikita ng kuha.
Okay, so now let's proceed with the Microsoft Office. So to all our Microsoft Office graduates, may we call on our Chief Academic Officer. You can have the group photo with the Microsoft Office graduates. Calling on the Microsoft Office graduates. And also teaching assistant graduate. Teaching assistant graduate. May Miss Julieta Manuel. How about the digital marketing graduates? Acting Academic Officer, Ms. Carmen Campos.
And please be ready on factory gas max. You're next. Once again, please be ready on factory gas max. Together with your instructor.
Together with the instructor, Sir Armel De Castro.
And please be ready, repeat architecture and repeat MEP together with instructor. You are off next.
Okay, once again, the Repeat Architecture and Repeat MEP graduates, together with their instructor, Ms. Beverly Arana. Once again, the Digital Marketing graduates, together with Ms. Carmen Campos. Now may we call on the Repeat Architecture and Repeat MEP graduates, together with their instructor, Ms. Beverly Arana.
May we call on graphic design course? Please be ready, you are up next. May we call on graphic design course together with instructor? Magnolia Calpino.
Calling all the graphic design course graduates, you may now proceed on stage for the group photo together with your instructor, Ms. Magnolia Calpino.
And please be ready for photography class. You're up next.
Now when we call on the photography class, graduates together with their instructor, Mr. Salvador Codong Jr.
Please be ready. All electrical engineering,
Mechanical civil.
mechanical engineering, civil engineering,
Civil engineering course together with their instructor, Mr. Engineer Darrell Joy Pira. Once again, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering course graduates together with their instructor, Engineer Darrell Joy Pira.
and please be ready to all healthcare assistant course students together with instructor. You're up next.
Hindi lang meron lang. Ayun ang pinakamagandang ginawa ko. Ako ang lalayo. Okay. Nagandaan lang yung video. Yung lalabas na. Kaya.
Thank you so much. May we call on our healthcare assistant course together with instructors.
Once again, may we call on the healthcare assistant course graduates together with their instructors, Mr. Jody Moragas, Mr. Noel Estrada, and Miss Elizabeth Tabana. You may now proceed on stage to have your group photo.
Check ka na lang. Kakalangan sa
Lahat na ba?
Opo, lahat na.
The stage is yours now. You can now take your photo on stage.
Together with the cameras, guests, CEO,
Pwede kayo magpa-picture doon. Pwede na ako magpa-picture.
Okay, so to our guest, CEO, and the graduates who wants to take photos on stage, the stage is yours now. You can take your photos.
and hereupon, we recall all the graduates for a real photo on stage.
Let us call all the graduates for a group photo, everyone.
All the graduates.
Calling all the graduates, you may now have your photo on stage together with our management team and also our guests and also the instructors.
We recall all the instructors to join.
Calling all the instructors, you may now join your students
Thank you so much.
for a group photo. Thank you so much.
May we call on all the instructors to join the photo shoot on stage.
Lahat po, lahat po.
May we call on every graduate.
Yan, atras po tayo.
Once again, congratulations to all of our graduates.
Thank you so much, everyone. Hold on the hat. And the drawer hat.
Okay, one, two, you can bust your cap. One, two.
Okay, later. That's right.
You can bust your cap, everyone.
You're ready, guys.
We will count.
Give your best shot. Okay, be ready. All the camera. Ready.
3,
No, not you. Okay? Just wait. Sir,
wait for Sir Kosi.
Atras po tayo. Mga sir, atras po.
give the best smile, everyone. Okay? One.
Natalie po dito na lang sa ano.
Here.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, get ready to toss your caps, everyone.
One.
Wait. Okay. In my count. Okay.
Let's make it perfect.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Congratulations, everyone. Carlotti Training Institute is very proud of you. And now, this is what we have been waiting for. Ikaw ba, nagugulo at wala ng energy?
Halika na, picture tayo.
Calling the staff of all the staff of Carlotti Training Institute, let's have a group photo, including the Gen Skills Development Training Department, calling all the staff of Carnologics Training Institute, including the Child Skills Development Training Department,
May we call on all staff?
calling all the staff of Carnologics Training Institute, and to all the graduates, you may now be seated, and let's get ready for the